In this question, we move on a new case study about a multinational company and its impact. Before answering, we need to look at some application key points that we're going to use in next questions. Now let's look at question 4a. Identify two disadvantages for the country where an MNC is located. This is a 2-mark identify question, so it mainly tests AO1 knowledge. The command word identify means you only need to state two disadvantages. No explanation is required, and each correct disadvantage equals 1 mark. Keep your answers short and clean. Do not explain unless the question asks you to. Now let's look at the answers. First disadvantage is increased competition for local businesses, and the second one, repatriation of profits to the home country. Question 4b. Identify 4 reasons why some markets have become more competitive. This is a 4-mark identify question, so it mainly tests AO1 knowledge. The command word identify means you only need to state 4 valid reasons. No explanation is required. Each correct reason equals 1 mark. Only the first 4 answers will be marked. Keep your answers short and clean. Do not explain unless asked. Now let's look at the answers. Reason 1. Developments in technology and growth of e-commerce. Reason 2. Removal of tariffs and fewer legal controls. Next, improvements in transport and infrastructure. And reason 4. Increase in the number of competitors in the market. Question 4c. Explain 1 advantage and 1 disadvantage of ZRE using emails to communicate with its suppliers. This is a 6-mark explain question, so it mainly tests AO2 application and AO3 analysis. The command word is explain, which means you must give a point and develop it by showing the effect on the business. For full marks, you need 1 advantage, identify clearly. Application to ZRE, you can use fashion clothing, suppliers, MNC, 20 countries, explanation of the impact, and the same structure for 1 disadvantage. Use a clear structure, advantage, explanation, then disadvantage, explanation. Now let's look at the answers. Emails provide a written record of communication with suppliers. As a multinational company operating in 20 countries, ZRE can keep clear records of clothing orders and delivery details. This reduces misunderstandings and helps manage its many shops efficiently. Disadvantage. Emails may not be read immediately by suppliers. If suppliers delay reading emails, clothing deliveries may be late. In the competitive fashion market, this could mean ZRE's shops do not have the latest products, reducing sales. Question 4d. Explain 2 methods of training ZRE might offer its employees to help them to provide good customer service. Which is likely to be the best method for ZRE to use? Justify your answer. This is an 8-mark explain plus justify question, so it tests AO1 knowledge, identify 2 training methods, AO2 application, apply to ZRE. You can use key points, fashion retailer, 2,700 shops, 20 countries, 9,000 employees, competitive market, and AO3 analysis, explain the impact, and AO4 evaluation, make a clear justified decision about the best methods. Structure your answer clearly. Method 1, and then explanation with application. Method 2, and then explanation with application. At the end, justification. Choose one and explain why it is the best for ZRE. Do not repeat earlier points in the justification. Now let's look at the answers. 1 method is on-the-job training. Employees learn while working in ZRE's 2,700 fashion stores. This allows the business to control customer service standards, and staff can continue selling while training, so sales do not stop in a competitive market. Another method is off-the-job training. Employees attend courses away from the store, which may help ZRE's 9,000 employees improve service skills. Staff can focus fully on training, which may improve customer satisfaction and reputation. Overall, on-the-job training is likely to be the best method. As a large multinational retailer operating in 20 countries, it will be expensive and difficult to send all employees away for training. On-the-job training is more practical and cost-effective while maintaining daily sales. This is the end of paper 1 questions. Next, we're going to move to paper 2. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.